Hi everyone, welcome to Granddaughter's Kitchen. So today I will be cooking rice and peanut butter sauce with beef. So there I am cutting the meat. I'm cutting it in smaller pieces because I need it to get ready as fast as possible. Here I am with the ingredients that I need: pepper and salt is already in the bowl, and I used 1 spoon of salt, a teaspoon, yeah. So I will slice the onions in cubes and add them in the pot that has the meat in already. I already put in water too. Yep. I feel so positive. Yes, great energy. I hope you feel the same too. So I've put everything already inside the pot and now it's ready to be boiled. Yes. This kind of pot is a pressure cooker and it helps make food get ready fast, as you know it. So it's done already, and I've not yet added the peanut butter, which I will very soon. Testing the salt. So I will add in 1 scoop of peanut butter and mix it until it's smooth. And I don't fry it because I need it to be with low fat, because peanut butter has already fat and also the meat was fatty, so it's enough. It was better to boil it. Always better for me to boil it. So I add in seasoning and I add it in last because I need the food to have that greater taste. So I put it in a smaller pot because this was too big, and also when nuts are put under high heat they tend to rise. So it's better to put them in a small pot and it will cook them better. So I will let it cook for a minimum of 8 minutes, and here it is ready. Yes. It's ready and it looks good, guys. I like how it is. I like how it has turned out. Not too thick. The texture is perfect. It's how I wanted it. So that's how you do it. And here I have the rice, which I already washed, and now I'm putting it in a rice cooker. Those were 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to be adding in 3.5 cups of water because I have an assumption that the rice I washed still contains some water, so I don't need to put in a lot of water. Yes. So I will set it till it gets ready. So guys, here it is and I am done. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Ciao.